All right, so this one says the graph of a function, the quadratic function is represented in the table. What is the equation of the function in vertex form? So remember for our vertex form, the vertex form works like this. It's called the vertex form because it has the vertex in it. It's f of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, where h comma k is the vertex. Now, I think that I looked for a pattern. I got -2, -2, 4, 4. Uh-oh, 6 all by its lonesome. Guess what this is? This is the vertex. So my vertex then would be 8 and 6 because my vertex is 8, 6. In other words, for me to find this function, I'm going to start by plugging in 8 for h and 6 for k. H equals 8, k equals 6. So now to find a, I've got to plug in an x and y value. So it doesn't matter. I can pick any one of these. Let's go with x equals 6. They have to be of the same pair though, right? And f of x. So when x equals 6, f of x equals -2. So I'm just going to plug that in now. -2 is equal to a times the quantity x, which is 6, minus 8 squared plus 6. Well, -2 equals a. 6 minus 8 is -2 squared plus 6. What's -2 squared? Well, it's -2 times -2, which is what? It's a +4. So this becomes 4, +4 times a plus 6, and all that's equal to -2. Whew. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Whoops, getting ahead of myself here. Now I've got to solve for a. So I've got -8 is equal to 4a. Divide both sides by 4, and I get -2 is equal to a. In other words, a is equal to -2, h is equal to 8, and k is equal to 6. So then my final function should be, remember it's a times x minus h squared plus k. So that should be f of x is equal to, we're going to plug in a, which is -2. We're going to plug in h, which is 8. And then we're going to plug in 6 for k. Now, if I'm not sure how to do that, what could I do? Well, I could graph this, and then I could find the quadratic regression and see if the two match up. But this is the right answer, okay?